Sustainability goes regional with our new battery electric trucks, providing up to 320 kilometers of range at 40 tons and a max gross train weight of 64 tons. Perfect for temperature-controlled transport, bulk cargo or hook lift operation. The 410 kilowatt powertrain brings the performance to a point where there's no compromise, with seamless gear changes, perfect creep and uninterrupted power regeneration during downshifts and braking. The 624 kilowatt-hour battery packs can now be charged at 375 kilowatts for a full charge in less than 90 minutes. And the reworked cooling and heating system provides perfect cabin climate and optimal battery operating temperature. Available both as a rigid truck and a trailer tractor.